Hello folks, Dave Shoki here with the Twin Home Experts. We're here at an emergency where water was coming up inside the wall, spilling outside of an electrical pipe. Plumbers, waterproofing guys came out. No one's been able to figure it out. So I'm gonna use this tool and a sewer camera to identify and figure out what's going on. Let's go check it out. All right guys, so here we are in the garage just below the electrical panel here. And this customer here saw water coming out of here. So we've opened up this wall, identified this electrical pipe here. And if you can come a little closer, you can see that the water is boiling out of here when it rains, causing this water damage here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run our sewer camera down this pipe, and we're gonna trace out where this conduit is to find the source of that rainwater coming in. Now, it's gotta be at a higher elevation than this, so it's either gonna be in the backyard on the hilltop or higher up. But you gotta have a camera, you gotta have locating equipment so you can get down and pinpoint where it's at. So let's go ahead and show you what that looks like.
You can edit the video?
All right, folks, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on locate. When you get that fuzzy little film there, that means you're on. We'll turn this on, and let's go to work here, folks. Nope, it's further this way. Stop the camera. As you can see, we're 157 feet away from this point right here. Yes! It's gotta be right here. Let's open this lid up and let's take a look.
Go.
There it is, folks. So what's happening is this is the line, and this water is filling up and filling these pipes up right here. So that's it, folks. That's what it is. I love it. We found it. All right, so we solved the problem here by taking a piece of ABS, a rubber coupling, and building a riser above this water level here. And we went ahead and pumped the water out. And as you can see, there's no more standing water. Well, folks, there you have it. Anytime you need to find an underground sewer pipe, electrical pipe, any issues, you gotta use a sewer camera and a locator. Hey, as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.